Divesh Bhatt of Uttarakhand, then Pankaj Kumar of Uttar Pradesh, Gautam of Puducherry, two Goa athletes, Narendra and Kunal, then Haryana athletes Sumit Kundu, Abhishek Devganti of Maharashtra, Amit Jangir of Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh athlete Arjun was
starting
is participating there, and the other athletes names are as follows: that Puneet Yadav of Haryana, Akash Patel of Uttarakhand, Gursingh Bhai of Gujarat, Mohan of Maharashtra, Manish Yadav of Uttar Pradesh, Anil Pandya of Gujarat, and Vaibhav Murali Patil of Karnataka are competing in this one. This is 3000 meter boys final.
बालक 18 वर्ष से कम आयु समूह के 3000 मीटर दौड़ के फाइनल की शुरुआत।
As they're reaching towards the finishing line, 7 more laps to go from here on. Competing hard, testing limits of each other. A lot will change. At this point of time, you can see that Manish Yadav of Uttar Pradesh is at the front of the pack, and just behind him is Gulsingh Bhai of Gujarat. At the third position, the athlete who is running is Puneet Yadav. He's from Haryana. A lot will change, a lot of time to go in this contest. Pressurizing these three athletes are the other athletes from behind. Athletes of Uttarakhand, Akash Patel is there, and so is some sensational athletes at the fourth spot. At this point of time is Pankaj Kumar of Uttar Pradesh, and following him at the fifth spot closely is Arjun Vasale of Madhya Pradesh. A good run, sensational run that is going on there. 6 more laps to go for these athletes. A lot will change. Some of the athletes are falling behind, and one of them is athlete of Arunachal Pradesh. That athlete is falling a lot behind, and I do not feel that he is in best of his shape. As the camera will go there, I will let you know the name of that. But the order at the front is virtually the same. Manish Yadav, and then following him is Gulsingh Bhai and Puneet Yadav. Testing limit and stamina of each other, and it's a very testing race in which you have to conserve a huge amount of energy in your legs, in your lungs. For the final push, you have to not only know that how many calories you have in your body, but also know the stamina of your opponent. You test it with some employed strategy, like going for a spurt, and then test the stamina of their opponent. And the other strategy that they employ is that they remain a chaser, save some amount of energy, and that is how they go and perform there. 5 more laps to go in this race. Some of the racers and some of the athletes are falling behind. A few of them are performing very well, but a few of them are performing very poorly. In fact, I feel that they might go a lap down. One of these athletes who is performing not up to the task is Gautam of Puducherry. Now the gap is opening up. For the first time in the front, we are seeing Arjun Vasale of Madhya Pradesh. He has come at the front of this pack. Puneet Yadav of Haryana is currently at the second spot, and following him closely is another athlete from Haryana, and he is Sumit Kundu. A bit of shuffle in the order, but a lot will change. That's what I can assure you of that. Manish Yadav currently is at the fourth spot. Fourth spot. 4 more laps to go. So about halfway. Still a lot to go, and something is to be done by all the athletes. In fact, these 4 are opening up a good gap on all the rest of the pack, and they are pressurizing all the events. All the participants are under pressure by these 4. These 4 are performing very well at this point of time, and in fact opening up a gap. Now the 5th one has also joined from behind. athletes are from Haryana. One is from Uttar Pradesh and one is from. And here he is. Here he is. Madhya Pradesh athlete is there. Two from Haryana and one from Uttar Pradesh, as I was mentioning. Taking up a lot of pressure of the wind is Arjun Vaswale of Madhya Pradesh at the front. Still 3 more laps to go. So now the action should pick up. Action should pick up. Still maintaining his lead is Arjun of Madhya Pradesh. Two Haryana athletes following him closely are Puneet Yadav and Sumit Kundu. We have already seen some sensational performances from the athletes of Madhya Pradesh in long distance races. And will this be that type of race? Coming into the picture is another athlete at the time, and now coming to the front with the burst of his speed is Sumit Kundu. Sumit Kundu, look behind, and two Haryana athletes are setting the pace, running at a good speed. And finally, the athlete of Madhya Pradesh is falling behind. Two athletes of Haryana has come to the front of this pack, and they are testing limit of all the athletes. All the athletes are trying from behind, and all the athletes are doing very well from behind. But how long can they be there, and how much limit will they do? That's what we have to see. Monu of Maharashtra is currently at the 5th position, and he is trying hard to go there, but looking quite confident are these two Haryana athletes, and one of them at the front is Sumit Kundu. Sumit Kundu is not only going strong but stretching his lead, and Sumit Kundu has decided that since 2 more laps to go, and once he'll reach there, he will find that only last lap is there. So Sumit Kundu has started to push his limits. Sumit Kundu looking quite strong there. Something has to be done to catch the pace of this man. Sumit Kundu is doing very well at this point of time, and following him is there Sumit Kundu as he is approaching towards the bend, and Sumit Kundu is looking back again and again. Puneet Yadav is also doing very well. Puneet Yadav is testing his limits, and Puneet Yadav knew that something has to be done. Sumit Kundu, Puneet Yadav is at the 2nd position, and 3rd position. The tough battle is going on as they hear the bell, and now finally the battle has begun. Sumit Kundu looking in bright shape. The athlete of Maharashtra has found himself at the 3rd spot. The battle now shifted to these 3 athletes. Something has to be done to catch the pace of Sumit Kundu. Sumit Kundu is doing very well at your screen, ladies and gentlemen. He is doing very fine, and following him is the athlete Puneet Yadav, Sumit Kundu. These 2 athletes are setting up the pace and lighting up the stadium with their speed. But Sumit Kundu is running in a different orbit. Sumit Kundu doing very well. Puneet Yadav is trying very hard, but not quite enough. But he's under pressure from the athlete of Maharashtra as well, Monu. He's doing very well there. Monu is currently at the 3rd position. I do not feel that Monu will give up that, but in fact Monu, I feel that will put more pressure on Puneet Yadav at the 2nd position. These 2 athletes are trying very hard, and Monu, and how long can he be there? That's what we have to see, because he's also under pressure from behind. But Sumit Kundu is running at a very menacing pace, and Sumit Kundu is approaching towards the finishing line. We are concentrating on this guy because he has opened up a gap of about 12 meters. Sumit Kundu is approaching towards the finishing line. He's going to win the gold medal surely. There is no doubt about it. Following him closely is the Puneet Yadav. Sumit Kundu is going to win it, and Sumit Kundu has just won it. Raised his both on the arms. Just behind him was Puneet Yadav, and at the 3rd spot was Monu of Maharashtra. What a race and what a finish by these 2 guys. It's the type of the race that the coach of Haryana would wanted to see, because it's a 1-2 for Haryana. What a race and what a finish by this guy. He decided just when 1.5 laps were to go that he has extra energy in his legs, and why not go for a kill. And he pushed his all the limits, and he started to build up a gap. He saw that whether anyone is approaching or not, but once he was confirmed that no one is going